Hello guys, in today's video we are going to fix Ethernet not detected. Alright, when you come here, see not connected. Meanwhile, I've connected my Ethernet cable directly to my system unit. Alright, and it's for no reason it's not working. I've been using my Ethernet for the past 1 week, and just today it has stopped working. So the first step to fix this problem is you click on your network itself. Alright, so you click on that thing, then you come here, network settings, you click on that, then it will bring you here, then you click on change advanced sharing options. No, sorry for that. You are going to click on network and sharing center. Okay, so here we are, very simple. Then when you get here, just click on change adapter settings, then it will bring you here. Then after that, you will just right click. Look at this very well. You have Ethernet, and the down is what, disabled. So you just right click, then after that you just click on enable, then check it enabling, then look at the down, it has been connected. See, network, I have network now, so my Ethernet is now working. This is so simple. Alright, or better still, if you don't have if probably you don't see this button, right? If you don't see this button, you can just use this method also. You can go to your search box. Okay, you can just go to your search box and then search network. So network, so network. Then when you check the top, I have network and sharing center. You are going to click that, then you come to change adapter settings as usual. Then after that, you just Ethernet. Now you see that I have network, that means it has been enabled. Just right click, then you enable it. Alright, so because I did the enabling already, I will not disable it. Then let me give you the last method. The last method is to right click on the network itself. So you right click on it, then you click on this open network and sharing center. So that's the third method. Then it will bring you here, then you come to change adapter settings and just right click on that and then enable. Alright, so that's how we fix this thing. When it happens, I recommend you try this fix. When it doesn't work, then maybe you can check if your router is on, you can check if your Ethernet cable is really plugged into your laptop or system unit. Alright, so thank you very much. If this video helped you, I would like you to hit the like button. If not, you can leave a comment.